We all know Lassy is a really fun kid to use. Why not we just use Lassy in the squads, full team, see if we can pull people to the deaths. Let's go.
Oh, freak!
Wait, no, we should do this. I find whatever. Oh my god, what is this?
Bro, red and yellow are stacked.
Dang.
Barbarian, Zephyr, and Melody.
Alright, I'm gonna die.
I my game crash. I know my game crash.
I lassoed him, right? He's not coming here.
No, because the wall blocking.
Great. I'm just gonna stand here because.
But I lassoed him.
Why isn't he coming here?
I know, right?
That is so sus. Hey yo. Hey yo, you can't just. Alright, too far.
Flashy food. Oh!
Hey yo, why you flying, man? Yeah! Cool, that was actually cool. Yeah! Oh my god, the whip again.
What? The wizard that cannot get.
He got pulled, he got pulled, he got pulled.
Attack.
Oh.
Nice.
Come
Vanessa.
He's literally going after you.
I think it's actually good
I
kid.
literally.
help!
If you don't have one fire on it. They didn't know everything about Lassy.
I do not. I don't even care about this kid to even use it.
Behind you, by the way, there's a person.
Oh, I did not know.
Nice!
Die. Bye bye.
Bro.
He didn't even have a he had a teleport in his head, but he couldn't even use it. What are you doing? Ow. Oh, I understand what he was doing. He was why are you aiming in the middle of nowhere?
Oh, nice!
Oh, I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead.
Oh my god.
He's not behind you, don't worry.
Oh, okay.
Let's see.
How did I pull him?
Yeah.
How the hell did I pull him? Oh, hi, Wim.
Women's running. I still can't believe women.
Oh my god, no way. Oh my goodness, no way. Oh my god.
Oh, red die. Yay, red die. Yay, finally.
Wait, yellow has a bed?
Yeah, yellow.
I did not know they had a bed.
Oh. Nice. Get out there.
He goes, we'll need that. Yes, he died. He goes, he might die.
Nice. Vanessa's in mid.
Yeah, he's not that good. He's not that good. Oh,
Ow.
oh shit.
Oh, nice. Oh.
Don't
Don't let him avoid you. You're joining me like this will let him.
Nah, I'm not risking for that. Actually, I should. Why did you do that?
You got this? Never mind. Oh no! What's up? Never mind. Put him in.
Oh my god, perfect.
Yo, women, Vanessa here.
Whoa, what the frick?
No, that.
I couldn't build, bruh.
That's what Greek have the new kid. I'm gonna let them get sacked.
You mean this kid?
What?
I'm literally fighting you.
Oh.
Oh, he's I need that.
Bro.
Are you okay? Hey, you stole my kill! Hey, where'd you go?
Wait, what? Where did he go?
I don't know, but he's somewhere.
Wait, behind us! That's behind us!
I'm
Get it! Nice!
Bro.
Pro gamer!
pro gamer. I'm lassoing the lyric. Why am I lassoing the guy? Oh crap! No! No!
No, what the fuck? My God.
Lasso the iron armor one.
What? Is he jumping right?
Oh god.
No! Mind helping?
Coming soldier.
Oh god!
Soldier.
I fell.
Ah, please!
I like that. I mean, that's one life.
Yeah, you should give last
God! What a great time, bro! What a great time. He's literally using the gumdrop kit.
Iron armor. I finally have iron armor.
Oh
with
crap!
nothing.
Levi, there's someone going to our base. Oh my god, please, no!
I lost my diamond sword when.
Why did you put out the bed? It's literally just there. Let's go, kill. You ain't going home today, boys. Oh, shoot. Ah, whoa, don't target.
Your boy, that's him. Who did that? The pro.
Ah, GG.
Love it.